Some marketing efforts are just simple PR stunts, while others are truly revolutionary feats of engineering. But when a gamer and a hip-hop artist take to the skies to play a video game on a giant screen suspended from a helicopter while flying in a different helicopter, why can't both be true? Hella D is a division of Remarkable Media Group and a pioneer of aerial digital billboards. This week, the company announced a partnership with Xbox to promote Ninja Gaiden 4, descendant of the NES original released in 1988. A true banger. According to Xbox, the inspiration behind this stunt comes straight from Ninja Gaiden 4's in-game lore, as, quote, "The denizens of Tokyo have escaped the toxic floodwaters by building skyward. The skyscraper district towers above the ruined city below." Hella D helped orchestrate the record-breaking achievement, the world's largest playable gaming screen carried by a helicopter, according to Guinness World Records, and they did it above the breathtaking Miami landscape. The company transformed the night sky into a live arena with a 26-foot screen. Hella D specializes in aerial digital media and hopes to redefine out-of-home advertising. Admittedly, it is a jump forward from crop dusters hanging banners from a single-seater aircraft. The company combined advanced aviation engineering with the world's brightest LED display systems and used sports broadcasting technology to stream live gameplay from the helicopter to the massive screen. Professional gamer Emmanuel Master Rodriguez played the game in real time from one helicopter, while his gameplay streamed to another aircraft equipped with Hella D's proprietary double-sided full-motion LED screen. Recording artist Sway Lee came along for the ride as well. The display spans more than 400 square feet, shining at 8,000 nits, or around 27,400 lumens, and illuminated the Miami coastline with Yakumo's, that's the game's protagonists, on-screen battles. Digital billboards typically operate between 6,000 and 8,000 nits during the day, so you can see the screen clearly despite the sun's glare. Your typical TV shines at about 500 to 1,000 nits. Hella D hopes the stunt will redefine how brands capture attention in today's crowded media landscape. Why have a giant digital sign on the flatbed of a truck when you can suspend it from a helicopter? The company's patented carbon fiber display systems comply with FAA regulations, and they typically fly in large metropolitan areas like New York, Chicago, LA, and Miami. Ninja Gaiden 4 was co-developed by Team Ninja and Platinum Games, published by Xbox Game Studios, and released this week for multiple gaming systems. It is the 7th game in the Ninja Gaiden series. I'm David Manty, and this is Manufacturing Now. It's high up here. That's unnecessary.